Hi, welcome to Kathleen's Wrinkles and Giggles. Thank you for coming back. If it's your first time here, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're a channel here all about being together, giving piece of advice, me sharing with you the things I know about being an esthetician and the things I've learned in my facial room, but most of all, how to laugh at this getting older and sharing with other women because I get to work in my facial room and I see people all day, even men, of course, and we do laugh about all sorts of things. And the more you laugh about it, the more it's a great adventure because we all know it's a privilege to get older. So this is about wrinkles and giggles and let's go forward with life. So I'm glad that you're here. And my sister, Judy, who does all the things in the background, she's glad you're here too. And it's the first time I've said her name, but I think some of you are on to that. I have somebody that helps me a lot, and we sure do laugh about this getting older as well. So sit back, let's talk all about today experts that you can trust, why you pick an esthetician versus just doing it on your own, and why pick a medical esthetician. Some of you have, some of you wouldn't think about it, but I'll let you know some reasons why. Thanks. So, like I said, we're going to talk about why you choose an esthetician. Well, doing things at home can be a little scary. So, one big thing to get an esthetician for your skincare is it's really expertise you can trust. She's gone to school, and you can ask her how many years she's been in business. And you can ask a friend, who do they go to? So that's how you choose them. But feel free when you go in the first time, people ask me all sorts of questions. So ask them and see if it fits you. But it's expertise. They study, they apply things on themselves, they know their product line, they know they're either an acne expert or an aging expert, um, anti-aging expert. And then aging, one size doesn't fit all. And she is already schooled in which peels she's going to use for your skin type. So that's another thing. And again, if she's a licensed esthetician and she has studied her craft and knows all of her products well, it's going to be a safe bet that she's going to get you from point A to point Z and everywhere in between that you want to be. So that's another one. A good one is also it's just good self-care. Some people just give up and they just, oh, I feel sorry for them. They really can't see very well. They've tried to use some products at home. A lot of it's been, not that I disagree with it, but a lot of it's the over the counter that some of them that I don't disagree with. So they have a lot of blackheads and they're breaking out as adults and they've got dull, sluggish skin. There's a reason for that. And we're going to dig in for that when you have an appointment. So, if anything, I tell people, hey, utilize me. Come a couple of times. You're going to already get better. I don't mind. Um, Let me work with you on a budget. I'm going to tell you some expensive products to get that I know works and worth the money. Some that I think they're too expensive and they're not going to do what I need it to do for you. But I'll give you some hints to use in the department store and drugstore that I do agree with. So that's a good piece of information. So you're not doing it on your own. I don't mind people bring in products that they're using. I say, at least you're honest with me. Let me see what you're using. But let me tell you, oh my goodness, what not to use. That'd be for a future video because I've got a lot of them. And I guess I get to give my opinion, but some companies won't be happy with me. Um, now, it's also self care as you get to lay down, you get to relax, guided through, and it's some of the pampering. Even though you might be getting serious treatment, there's still some pampering involved. People love it when I put them underneath the LED light in between what I'm doing, or it might be at the end, and they just fall asleep. It's very rhythmic and it's doing great things while they're getting very relaxed. And a lot of us just don't relax enough. So that's one good thing. And another thing is we're like your personal trainer. So people say, how many times do I need this IPL treatment? And I say, no, no, no. I'm just like your personal trainer. You wouldn't ask, how many times do I need to go to the gym before I have the perfect body? No, you're going to keep going. You know, he's there to help you. You might go to him for 2 months. You might go to him every day. You might go to him once a year for guidance. I want to be that. I'm your personal trainer for skincare. So hopefully, maybe that changes your mind about going to an esthetician. Try one in your area. So, also, why do you go to a medical esthetician? Well, I'm glad you asked. Going to a medical esthetician is great because I'm going to guide you through, along with the doctor that you're under the care of. If it's a dermatologist, you're going to be doing different things. I work for a plastic surgeon, so I'm going to be guiding you through the pre-surgery and post-surgery. If you want to get your skin in shape before surgery, I think it heals a little better. That's one thing. Guide you through some skincare so your skin is all beautifully clear before going in, or you can do it after. I tell people then about 2 to 3 months after your surgery, come to me and let's start in and protecting your investment, because it is an investment to get plastic surgery. And as an esthetician working in that field for a long time, I can give you a lot of hints, what to ask the doctor, what to maybe he's thinking, to guide you through when you're going through that post surgery. I can guide you through. Estheticians do when we're used to it. We do a lot of hand holding through that because it's weird and it's scary for people who aren't used to it. And so we kind of work back and forth with the doctor, and that is a lovely thing. So a lot of times people know we work for a plastic surgeon. We tell them, hey, for at least that year, let us take care of you, and then go to your normal esthetician. So that's how a lot of people stay with us or stay with us for a year, because we are going to give them some of that insight as they're healing. We can even take care of their scarring after they have plastic surgery if they haven't scarred the best around their ears, under their chin, and so forth. And we kind of guide them through what's normal, maybe what's not normal. Oh my goodness, let's go see the doctor right now. That's definitely not normal. You were doing what? 2 days later, yoga? No. So we give you a lot of that advice too. So those are some of the things. I hope you go see an esthetician. It's great. And if you have any questions for me, let me know. But going to an esthetician, it's great. And if you try one, also let me know. If you already have one and you want to try a medical esthetician, I've given you some reasons to go. But if your esthetician's great, they're awesome. If they don't have a lot of product line or product knowledge, a lot of girls starting out may not be with the doctor, then go for a medical esthetician working for a doctor. It'll be great and give you some new insight that maybe you need to get your skincare up and running right where you want it to be. So thank you again. Thank you, and like and subscribe. And I love having you here. Stay fabulous, because all together we can even get more fabulous. Great skincare. You look fabulous at least. Thanks. Bye.